Well, this video didn't go to plan because we're now somewhere where we didn't expect to be. We expected to be walking around at the Solway Aviation Museum, but when we got there it was absolutely rammed. Couldn't park the van, so we're going to go back when it's not summer holiday time and it's going to be a little less busy. So we've decided to come to another Scottish castle, and we're at Morton Castle. During the reign of Robert the Bruce, the land round here was owned by Robert Randall.
Thomas Randall. God's sake. I've literally just told you.
Yeah, no. The lands round here were owned by Thomas Randall. I got there eventually. That took 3 attempts. So we're not allowed to go for a swim in the lake because of blue-green algae, even though I can't see any. Ducks are alright. I mean, it looks like it should have been, could have been a bigger castle than what it actually is now.
Yeah, because another archway there, isn't there?
Here's a little brief history into Morton Castle. If you'd like to read it, pause it and then carry on. Also, no signs saying no drones. So I'm going to get the drone up and take some pictures, and we're just going to have a little explore. It looks like part of this archway is not here anymore.
I'm going the easy way. I don't think there's a difficult way for you to go.
Pardon?
I said I'm going the easy way. I don't
Right,
think there's a difficult
oh.
way, something for you to
So
through.
you want me to try and find the hard way in? As per usual when we come to a Scottish castle, I've got to try and find the hard way in. Oh no, there's a door there. I can't fit through that gap down there. I mean, what gets me about all these Scottish castles, or any castle for that matter, is seeing all the films of what they depicted history was like and what they wore and actually trying to visualise the people of that era living in these castles. Well, I can't find a hard way in, so I'll just have to go the easy way. I mean, it's nice of them to put this piece of scaffold in here so we can get in. There's not a lot here. This is it. We're in the Great Hall. Found some information for you to all have another read at.
And the windows funny.
Have a read of that. Pause it.
And all the windows are set.
That's probably so that they can stand on them for different height people. So you've got your short horse on top step and your lanky git on bottom. So you'd be on top and I'd be on bottom.
Yeah, whatever.
Mind the old stone walls. Now, it's a bathroom fitter. You can sniff out a toilet anywhere. And I've got a feeling that was one. Oh, what have we got here? Maybe not. Maybe this might have been it. This might have been it. Oh, we've got... What we got down there? Got passageway down there. Oh no. This was a way in.
To where? On that is the round tower that was the private chambers.
Janet wants me to climb up to the door.
Go on.
So I've got to get all this lot off. So just plonk you there. Stay there. Don't worry, I'll take you with me. Just so you don't miss out on the experience.
Excitement.
I'll put that there. Right, come along.
Climb up there and then on this place and then up the wall.
It will go. Have a look at this bit first, you know. Down there, which is where we were before. Back up. Door is very strong. Don't worry, I'm not going anywhere. And this is the view from the other side. Right, I've got to get back down now. All the way down there.
Later. Bye.
Don't worry, I can do it. Got one hell of a stinking headache. I don't know why. It came on when I was inside the castle. Yeah, all the way up there. What an absolutely gorgeous view. I think that what was. Oh, and there's the other end of that, where we've just been. Whatever it was for. If you know what it was for, put it in the comments below. Because I haven't got a clue. And there are the windows from the inside. And that's peering into the... I mean, that on the inside is about top of my legs. There's another one here. So that comes out here, I would assume, with the angle on that stone, That is some sort of drainage. Both of them, I would have thought. But who knows? When was it built?
12th century.
Yeah, I wasn't around in the 12th century when they built it, so I can only guess. But this must have had a very impressive archway here. Well, I hope you like our little tour of Morton Castle. I know there's not much of it. Yeah. For those of you who have managed to endure this video this long, please consider hitting the subscribe button. I would really very much appreciate it. And thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you later.